Hello, everybody, and welcome to our Phonics tongue twister in a minute. This is Hanaa Said. Let's get started. Today, we are gonna talk about letter L as an L sound. L. In the beginning, we have light, lemon, lucky. In the middle, we have color, balloon, melody. In the end, we have coal, small, hill. Let's practice together our tongue twister. So, be ready. We can listen first.
Lesser leather lasts in lighter weather.
Again.
Lesser leather lasts in lighter weather.
Let's start slow and speed up as we go. Lesser leather lasts in lighter weather. Lesser leather lasts in lighter weather. Faster. Lesser leather lasts in lighter weather. Lesser leather lasts in lighter weather. Lesser leather lasts in lighter weather. Keep going. Well done. You can test your tongue now. Bye.